lefty.
No.
What is? That's not how you cut it. That looks good. It's 3 years. It's tough.
I don't like steak in general.
Was it tough?
Hmm?
Is it tough? Alright, people. Alright, this is me. I'm gonna cook a frozen. Hold on, let me hold it properly so you can see it. See, so a frozen brisket. This brisket, I've had it since. Look, I've had it since. Where is it? Let me try to get it focus. 2000. Can you see it? I've had it since 2003 in my freezer. So I'm gonna smoke it with just salt. I've had it since 2003. I'm trying to show the date. For some reason, it's not 2023. So it shows you how long I've had this brisket, right? I'm gonna put it in my smoker. I'm actually gonna smoke it on 225, right? I'm gonna smoke it on 225 with just salt. I'm gonna take it straight from the packet into the smoker, and then halfway through I'm gonna put just salt. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe to the vibe. We'll see what happens. I'll show you when I take it from the package, when I put it in the smoker, then I'll so this is the meat. Take it a little rough because it's frozen. There we go. Gonna rip it out of the package. Rip it out of the package, and then we're gonna put it in the smoker. So that's frozen in the smoker, and then we're gonna cook it. And I'll see how long. I'll tell you how long it's gonna be cooked for. I think right now, let's look at the time. We'll record the time. It's 11:30. So right now it's 11:30. I'll tell you how long it takes. Alright, see it? Now it's thawed, right? Soft now. Still looks pretty good though for since 2003. I probably had this since 2004 though, I wanna say. But if you see, it's early 2003. So now what I'm gonna do is I said I was gonna put it in salt and pepper, but no. I'm gonna put it in pepper and hickory smoke spice. So let's switch the length of the camera, and then we'll go. It's my spice. I'm gonna throw it in the bag. A little bit of ear. I like to put a little ear in the bag. And then I like to just. That's how I like to do when I do my smoke. I like to do it in a bag, just because you wanna get that bark. Right? So get my seasoning all up on there, slap it a little bit, season, and I like to get the seasoning all up on it, right? We're gonna take it from the bag. Ooh, that looks good. It smells good too, right? So we take it from the bag, and we're gonna put it back on the grill. Look at it. That looks nice. Tell me that doesn't look nice. Ooh, that looks good. Tell me that looks good. So it's about to rain, but I'm gonna put this back on and just leave it there, and then we're gonna come back. Right now it's like 12:05, 12:30, 12:05. Let me just check. Oh wow, it's 12:47. So let it go, and then we'll go. All right, so looks pretty good. Let's see. All right, so 3:30. We're checking on it. That looks nice. That was it. Shrinked a little in size, but considering the fact it's also raining, if you're wondering, it's also raining. But we flipped the camera, it shrinked a little bit in size. It should be good. I'll give it another 20 minutes, then we'll go from there. Look at that. Looks nice. It needs a little bit more time, but looks pretty good. It's bringing us some smoke now. Let's see what I'm gonna put a temperature on there, thermometer on there, check the temperature, and then we'll go from there. But for the most part, pretty juicy, pretty good. Alrighty, now we're done. I think now it's done. What time is it? It's like after 4, right? That's my 3-year-old brisket. Look at that. It's my 3-year-old brisket. Let's cut into it. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Let's cut into it and see what happens. It's tough. Is it good or is it not good? It's okay to say it's not good or it's not good. Is it tough?
I don't like it, but I don't like steak in general.
Was it tough?
Hmm?
Is it tough?